I'm gonna set up this clip request. There is a car through the front of this business. Look at that. Right on through. You think they're trying to break in or what? Red light runner. Can't see a guy, same thing. I mean, I don't know where I'm going right now. Luckily, I know these roads. That I know that straight, and I see some lights, which are a stop sign. But if there's a big old puddle comes up, I'm going down. I'm sorry. I've gotten hit by 2 waves already. Almost knocked me clear off. I don't know how I'm doing this. I should have stayed and crashed at my friend's house, but he was asleep already. No blankets or pillows ready for me. Oh my gosh. I don't have a freaking dryer at home. I don't know how I'm gonna dry all my clothes. Oh man. Oh man. Oh Billy. Dang it, Kelly Clutch. Should have thought of this ahead of time. I bet you it's more dry in jail than it is right here. The sky is on fire. No, it's actually wet. But it is lit. The sky is freaking lit. It is just a beautiful gosh dang day. I love it so much. It's been raining like crap yesterday. Oh, there's lightning. Oh my god. We need to get inside right now. Come on. Lightning, not cool. Let's go. I'm not trying to die today. Not trying to die. No, but it was raining like crap yesterday. It rained a little bit today when he was riding. Sucks for him. Oh jeez. Oh my gosh. So yeah. And we're just hoping the rain holds off, but man, it gives some beautiful skies to an ugly city. Goddamn nearly ripped me off this bitch.